What are you looking at? You guys don't come at me. Don't come at me, okay? I know my shit. If I'm not blended, I know. For the most part. This is like me contouring my Persian nose. Like, bitch, fucking die. Get small. Oh, no filter concealer. So pretty much they're saying we don't need to face tune our fucking pictures and we don't need to use no fucking filters when we use this concealer. I fucking beg to differ. I think that I need to fucking face tune my face after I use this shit regardless. So I don't know why they're saying that. So I start off with a primer because your girl is oily. I'm using, this will focus, Tatcha Silk Canvas by Tatcha. Over here is from Rim the Label. I think her shit is miraculous, like it's so shiny. So I'm going ahead and just like, I do this after I prime my face. Some of y'all might not approve, but I think it like makes wonders with my skin on how oily I look afterwards. It's just I'll show you guys. Sorry, it's so rude for me to chew gum, but I really don't care. It's the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Easy Bake Loose Powder. I use this before and after because I am so like, if it is hot, if it is above like 50 degrees, I become like a frying grease pan. It's not cool. So back to that setting powder. You know, so pretty much we're trying to look for the cheekbones. I always start with a line. I like to line my face. You guys will diss me now, but then when I fucking go out and live, or I'm like downtown, or like, I don't know, I post a selfie and you're like, oh my god, your makeup. Don't come for me, okay? You can't, like, if you insult me now, you're not allowed to fucking compliment me later. The contour, sometimes I do my boobs, like, not gonna lie. Did I ever tell, oh, okay, I did finish my story. Funny story. I used to be overweight. A lot of people don't know that. And when I tell them, they don't believe me because I'm so tiny. I weigh like 120 pounds and I'm like 5'4", so we don't do her. I have to do my eyebrows before I'm out here looking like crazy. These are my eyebrows, they're natural. They're just threaded. And I'm gonna fill them in because we're not cute. I'm using, I didn't even tell you what contour powder I used. Powder, I didn't use a powder, I used a palette. I used the Contour Kit Light to Medium by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna send my boyfriend a picture that I'm filming a YouTube video. He's gonna be so fucking happy because I've been putting this off for so long. Hold on. Look at this phone case, by the way. Don't look at my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and use Carly Bible's Deluxe Edition 21 color eyeshadow and highlight palette. compete. I've done like 3 shows yearly. It's like probably the first year I'm not gonna compete. Sad things. But I still work out, I still diet vigorously. And look at that beaming highlight. It's from Carly Bible palette. Like, I'm trying to show you, like, I have makeup. I have a lot of makeup. I have a lot of highlights, but I'm freaking lazy on the A days, so I just go in with my palette because we're close and personal. So tell me about your life goals while I'm all up in your faces like this. Are you even allowed to fucking swear on YouTube? Let me know. Actually, I'll let you know, because if this video gets taken down, it means that I fucking swear too much. Stay classy, never trashy. I bought this at Ulta, and it is bomb. Like, I used to be the girl who always wore hot pink lipstick. Then I bought this, and I was like, whoa, Kimmy K vibes, like, never going back. Also, pardon my shitty ass camera. I'm using my laptop, like webcam, 2006 style, you know? I have it easy. I just shove my shit on, my juicy lips. Oh my god, I didn't even tell you what color this was it? I don't know. But it's in the color True Story. I am done this tutorial of what I do in a day. Do on the regular, but there are different things. Like, some days I want to be more glam, sometimes I want to be more chill, and this is like in the middle. It's pretty glam though. She's not bad, she's cute. We like her. Okay, bye! See ya next video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Support your homegirl and her YouTube career. And yeah.